You know, so no update on the Bobcat 520 yet. Since the last video, it has sat on the trailer where you see it. I have really struggled with getting that thing going only because I haven't had the time to put into it. It doesn't need a lot, but no update on that yet. But I just want to do a quick video because I got something new. Like I needed another piece of equipment. But this has been something that I wanted for a while. Check it out. Can't get it in the frame. It's a Terramite T5C. It's a little mini loader excavator. I'm unsure of the year, but it runs. It does good, everything functions, the bucket, backhoe, everything. It is very dirty and very well covered. The one issue it has, if I pop the hood, is this main line right here has a pinhole in it. So when you run the engine, the oil seeps out right here and runs down into here, and there's a puddle on the ground that you can see running out. So I'm going to take that line off, bring it to the hydraulic shop and have a new one made. And then I can bring it in the yard and give it a really good pressure wash like it needs. But it is complete. Seat. Let me take this towel off. It's been raining the last 2 days. Seat's in really good shape. Got nice wide tires on it. It's got a Kohler Magnum 20 horsepower engine in it. And again, it's very oil covered, very dirty. The whole thing just needs a really good pressure wash, which I'm going to do later today. But yeah, it's got the 6-stick configuration. Some of the newer machines had dual, what they call wobble sticks. So there's one on this side, one on this side, and then 2 sticks in the middle for the outriggers. This has got the 6-stick setup. It's got the rollover protection as well as a really nice fiberglass roof with lights. And it's complete other than just one little nick on this side up here. So other than that, I'm pretty excited. And we'll see what kind of projects I get into with it.